Welcome to another episode of Talking Trees today, bringing you a tour of our hydroponics cultivation. Let's get to know what is hydroponics. Hope you will stay till the end to know more about this amazing cultivation technique. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants without soil, using nutrient-rich water instead. You know, there's not enough space in the present urban areas for gardening. The most efficient, sustainable, and perfect solution for urban gardening is here. Plants grown in hydroponics grow faster and healthier than traditional soil gardening. It's easy to apply fertilizer, and there are no almost pests and weeds with the plants. From fresh herbs to crisp vegetables, the possibilities are endless. Imagine harvesting your fresh produce right from your home, all year round. Join us on this green journey and discover the future of farming. Let's grow for a sustainable future. Keep in touch. We will return with another episode of our journey through the talking trees. Until then, support us by liking, sharing, and commenting your thoughts. And don't forget to support us on Patreon to see our research grow more. We are Talking Trees.